Welcome to the demonstration of pharmaceutical simulation and optimization. In this video, I will take a closer look at some of the analysis tools plant simulation has to offer. These include determining potential bottlenecks and levels of efficiency, while performing experimental tests to optimize resource utilization. The plant model is loaded in the plant simulation. I'll switch to the simulation controls camera marks. Once the simulation controls camera mark is loaded, I'll play the simulation to validate the operations. The 3D graphic viewer in plant simulation allows me to interactively visualize the entire simulation, providing a clear view of the process. Now I'll enable the Sankey diagram. A Sankey diagram helps me track the level of traffic occurring within our factory to assess potential congestion and safety issues. The thickness of the lines corresponds to the relative level of traffic volume along that pathway. Next, I'll enable the bottleneck analyzer. This tool assigns each piece of equipment a set of color-coded bars that visually represent its current operational status. In this simplified model, I mostly see green bars, indicating equipment is working, and gray bars, indicating it is waiting. As the model complexity increases, you'll see additional colors, such as blocked, failed, or setup statuses, giving more granular insights into equipment performance. By using the bottleneck analyzer, I can quickly assess whether any equipment is underutilized or oversaturated, allowing me to make informed decisions for optimizing equipment usage and improving overall efficiency. I want to test how the number of humans in our worker pool affects our final production output. Using the Plant Simulation Experiment Manager, I am able to analyze various scenarios to predict the optimal system setup. By varying this value and tracking the corresponding results, I can determine what is the optimum worker level for maximum throughput. The simulation runs through the multiple iterations of the experiment. Once it has completed, I can see the results show that higher worker counts can lead to less efficiency, a potential cost savings. I can repeatedly experiment with multiple scenarios to identify the most cost-effective solutions. It is with experiments such as these that I begin to make full potential of the plant simulation model and its available tools, and can compare multiple scenarios before committing to a final setup. If you're curious to learn more about our services, we offer a 30-day free trial. You can access it by clicking the free trial link in the video description or by scanning the QR code shown in the video. Give it a try and see how it works for you.